I got a port built because the trunk kept popping open because of the pressure.
All right, that's a good hidden compartment right there.
Andre Nero, I got 2 Sundown U12s on Assault 3, and I got like 4 PRVs and 4 P-Boy tweeters. I got Stetsom 3K on the mids, highs.
All right.
You see it from trunk. I got a port built because the trunk kept popping open because of the pressure.
Really?
So,
oh
yeah.
man. Is the port coming through?
It's coming up there. That's the port right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. What kind of tuning is on that box?
I think it's 32. I'm thinking. I don't really know.
You know, what kind of electrical, your alternator battery?
I got 2 alternators. I got 240 man on the cements, on the 45 cements, and I got a stock alternator running the car.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Looks good. What vehicle?
99 Buick Park Avenue.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Yeah, pop the show. Nice. Oh yeah. Looks good.
Sundown Assault 3, Stetsom.
All right, that's a good hidden compartment right there.
Yes,
That's where
sir.
your tire wheel was?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That looks good. Who built this?
My man Terrence.
Okay.
Yeah, call him Big T. He built it, you know.
Nice.
He did a good job.
Is there a gap here?
Yeah, that's where the air come in from that
I
point.
noticed it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the first night the trunk kept popping open.
It does,
Without
yeah.
that point, the trunk would not keep stay closed.
Let the trunk breathe. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice. You did a good job building to where it covers everything.
Yes, sir.
I like that.
Thank you, buddy. Those 212s.
Yes, sir. 212s.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. Be sure to give Andre a like and comment what you like about his system. Impressive for 212s and the trunk of his system. His Buick did a really good job showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. So looking forward to showing you how it sounds. He gave me a great 2-song demo. I really like the little extra battery compartment delete. I don't think he has a a tire actually underneath. Now that he has his battery bank there, maybe his tire may be inside of his vehicle, but it worked out for the best for this trunk system, having subs back, port back. All the pressure was in the trunk you're going to see during the demo, but you can see some crazy flex also inside the cabin during this demo. This was the 1500 watt RMS U series from Sundown. Looks like it's what is recommended for the specs. If you wanted to kind of see those, I always like to put those on the screen. And I like the essentiality of the clean install where everything's hidden. You don't see any wires. So you don't always see a lot of trunk systems with like the perfectly clean setup install with a nice beauty panel system like this. So if anybody's looking for a good idea for a nice representation, there you go. 3,000 watts on 212-inch subs. We're getting to a demo now. Welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos and enjoy the demo.
Rain or shine, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
It's the plug tryna call me. I was up chopping early in the morning. On the wave like a durag. Gucci on my shoe racks. Woke up in the house till I ran into the plug. Till I ran into the mud. I done ran into some racks. I done ran into your girl. Why the plug show me love? I done came up on my dog. Call me on my phone, say shit. I make money when I talk. I'm a boss, take a loss. I can introduce you to the plug. Just sitting on Henny in my cup. Stay down, not a rash up. She gon' let me fuck ass up. I stuck keys in a Louis V. Fuck 12, I'm a G, ain't no stopping me. And my wrist is on overseas. Rich nigga, you can talk to me.
With the subflex in the trunk?
Oh yeah, you can do it.
212s.